Okay, now we're done getting the stuff off the spoon. Now you're going to pour this in the free tray that you have in the pack. And remember to use the spoon again to easy put it in. Okay. See, it's like looks so yummy now. Okay, ask an adult to hold the bowl if you cannot hold the bowl because it will be very heavy.
Higher, higher.
Okay, now I can do it. My mom will hold the bowl. See, it's very hard to get it out of the bowl, so please ask an adult to help you, or a teenager, or maybe your grandpa and grandma. Okay, now scoop it in. Slowly scoop it in the bowl, in the tray. Now see, there's some stuck in here, so try to get it off. You don't want to waste it. So try to scoop it. See, there's some stuck on the bowl still, the spoon. So get it out. Get it out. And there's some stuck on the bowl too.
Okay, not enough.
Try to get it all out of the bowl. Okay, now get one spoon only and then spread it. Spread it out, spread it out. See, it's getting smooth. Calm, it's not thick anymore. And try to make it smooth. And remember to put your ovens on and make it hot for 20 minutes. Well, not 2 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, see, now spread it, spread it.
Do you want to put bananas on this cake?
If you want to put bananas or something on it, I'll put marshmallow
Do you
on
like
it.
banana?
I'll put marshmallow.
Oh no.
Okay, now you can get anything you want and put it in, okay, but not hot sauce. Well, now I'm going to take my marshmallows. Okay, so this is the marshmallows I have. Now let's
No.
the banana out.
Marshmallows. Different marshmallow in the fridge.
Okay, not the small marshmallow. Get the big version. Okay, see this marshmallow? Now you're going to cut it. You don't have to cut it. Well, you put it in your stuff. Now,
A little bit.
just duck it down so it gets spread and everyone that is eating your brownie gets to eat it too.
Okay.
Now, see, it's smooth, thick.
Put in the oven.
Okay, now you're going to open the oven.
We'll
No,
make hot.
make the oven hot.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's so hot.
180.
180. Set.
Yeah.
So you're going to put it in the oven when it's hot. And remember that to put it 180 degrees. Now, open it.
Yeah. Okay. Be careful. It's so hot.
It will be very hot. So be careful for this part. You need an adult to help you. See? Now, wait about
20 minutes?
20 minutes.
Okay, now.
Spin it.
Okay,
about
that's enough.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. And wait.
Oh wait, this is 20.
No, stop
It's
here.
20 minutes. 20.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, now wait until it's 20 minutes.